Are you trying to make money with AI, but don't know where to start? So I gave myself a challenge. Make $100 using AI in just 24 hours. No experience, no audience, no excuses. And what happened honestly surprised me. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI tools I used, step by step what I did, and how much money I actually made. No fluff, just real results. Let's start the clock.
Okay, let's go.
Here's the plan. I'm going to use AI to create a simple digital product I can sell fast. Goal: create something in under 1 hour and sell it today. I asked AI for ideas to make money online. And one idea stood out: create short-form videos for businesses. Why? Businesses need content. Most don't use AI yet. I can create videos fast. Now I had to actually create something. First, I generated a script using AI. Then I created visuals, turned it into a video, and added a voiceover. And in less than 30 minutes, I had a professional video ad. Now comes the hard part.
Okay, let's go.
Selling. I reached out to small businesses online and sent a simple message. Hey, I created a short AI video for your business. Want to see it? No links, no selling, just curiosity. And guess what? People actually replied. After sending about 20 messages, I got 5 replies, 2 interested, 1 sale. First sale, $30. Then I kept going. Second sale, $50. Still short. Then 1 more client came in, $25. Total money made in 24 hours, $105. Challenge complete. Here's the truth. Making money with AI is not about the tools. It's about solving a problem, taking action fast, reaching out to people. AI just makes everything easier. If I can do this in 24 hours, imagine what you can do in 7 days. Comment guide if you want a full step-by-step. Subscribe for more AI content.